granted. Like no matter how much you give, they never truly appreciate your worth. It's time to flip the script. Today, I'm giving you 10 powerful strategies that will make them not just notice you, but value and respect you like never before. Number 1, master the art of silence. Sometimes, the loudest voice in the room commands the least respect. Why? Because constant talking can come off as insecurity. When you learn to master silence, you create an air of mystery. People are naturally drawn to those who don't overshare or feel the need to fill every gap in conversation. Silence makes them curious. It forces them to lean in, to wonder what you're thinking. Imagine you're in a group setting. Everyone's talking over each other, vying for attention. But you sit back, listen intently, and speak only when you have something meaningful to say. Suddenly, people are paying attention. Your words carry weight because you don't waste them. The next time you're tempted to fill the silence, resist. Speak less, but when you do, make it count. Say something thoughtful, insightful, or impactful. Watch how people begin to hang on to your every word. Number 2, set boundaries and enforce them. You teach people how to treat you by what you tolerate. If you're constantly bending over backward to please everyone, you send the message that your time and energy are not valuable. Start saying no to things that drain you. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but trust me, brother, this is where true respect begins. Boundaries aren't just about saying no. They're about showing others that your time, energy, and well-being matter. When someone asks for a favor that you know will stretch you too thin, pause. Consider whether it aligns with your priorities. If it doesn't, politely decline. People don't value what's always available. When you protect your time and energy, they'll start to value it too. Enforce your boundaries unapologetically. The ones who truly respect you will adjust, and the ones who don't, well, they were just never worth your time to begin with. Number 3, create scarcity. Let me tell you a secret. Scarcity creates value. Think about diamonds. Why are they so precious? Because they're rare. The same principle applies to you. If you're always available, answering every text, showing up for every event, saying yes to every favor, you lose your sense of rarity. Start being more selective about how and where you invest your time. Let people miss you. For instance, don't always be the first to reply to texts. Don't show up to every gathering. Make your presence feel like a privilege, not a guarantee. When you're not always around, they'll begin to realize just how valuable your presence truly is. Number 4, build a strong sense of purpose. Nothing commands respect like a person on a mission. When you have a clear purpose in life, people are naturally drawn to you. They see your drive, your determination, and they can't help but admire it. More importantly, it shows them that you don't need external validation because you're focused on your own goals. Take a moment to define your purpose. What are you working toward? What fires you up? Imagine someone asking, "What's your plan for the next 5 years?" If you have a clear, passionate answer, it signals to them that you're someone with ambition and direction. When you wake up every morning with a sense of purpose, people will begin to see you as someone worth valuing. Number 5, always deliver on your promises. In a world full of empty words, the person who keeps their promises is rare. If you say you're going to do something, do it. If you set a deadline, meet it. This builds trust and reliability, 2 key factors that make people value you. But here's the catch. Don't overpromise. Only commit to what you can deliver. It's better to exceed expectations than to fall short. When you consistently show up and follow through, people will not only respect you, but also depend on you. And that kind of trust is priceless. Number 6, invest in yourself. Want people to value you more? Start by valuing yourself. This means investing in your skills, your health, and your personal growth. Whether it's hitting the gym, taking a course, or reading books that expand your mind, self-improvement sends a clear message. You're serious about your life. For instance, imagine 2 people. One spends their free time binge-watching TV, while the other is learning a new skill, staying fit, and working on their side hustle. Who do you think garners more respect? When you elevate yourself, people will naturally elevate the way they see you. The more you grow, the more valuable you become, not just to yourself, but to everyone around you. Number 7, develop emotional control. Here's something most people overlook. The ability to stay calm under pressure is a rare and highly respected trait. When you let your emotions control you, whether it's anger, jealousy, or anxiety, you lose credibility. On the other hand, when you remain composed, even in tough situations, people notice. Emotional control is a form of power. Think about the leaders you admire. They don't panic. They don't lash out. They think, assess, and respond with clarity. Practice mindfulness. Take deep breaths and remind yourself that you're in control. Over time, this will become second nature, and people will admire your ability to stay steady in the storm. Number 8, be unpredictable. Predictability breeds complacency. If people always know what to expect from you, they may start to take you for granted. But when you're unpredictable, in a good way, you keep them intrigued. Surprise them occasionally. Show a side of yourself they didn't expect. Maybe it's picking up a new hobby, planning a spontaneous trip, or sharing an interesting perspective they've never heard from you before. Being unpredictable keeps you exciting and memorable. Number 9, surround yourself with winners. You are the sum of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you surround yourself with people who respect and value you, that energy will reflect back. But if you're constantly in the company of people who drain you or don't appreciate your worth, it'll pull you down. Seek out mentors, friends, and colleagues who inspire you. People who challenge you to grow, who celebrate your wins, and who push you to be your best. When you elevate your circle, you elevate yourself. And when people see the caliber of individuals you associate with, they'll naturally respect you more. And finally, number 10, walk away when necessary. This is the ultimate strategy. Sometimes, the only way to make people value you is to remove yourself from the equation. Walking away doesn't mean you're weak. It means you know your worth. Whether it's a toxic relationship, a draining friendship, or a job that undervalues you, walking away sends a powerful message. I deserve better. Here's the thing. When you walk away, you create a void. And in that void, people often realize just how much you meant to them. But even if they don't, you freed yourself to find people and opportunities that truly value you. Remember, brother, these 10 strategies aren't about manipulating others. They're about becoming the kind of person who commands respect and admiration naturally. When you value yourself, others will follow suit. Start implementing these strategies today and watch how the dynamic shifts. And remember, if you want to learn more ways to level up, check this video here.